What's up, athlete? What's up, love thing?
Love thing.
Start to find your length here. Stay relaxed.
Love thing. Love thing.
Other side.
Love thing.
Woo! There it goes. You know what year it is.
Love thing.
Try to keep those shoulders retracted, heart forward, eyes up. It's okay if you find a bounce with those legs.
Love thing. Love thing.
A little more length for these last 10 seconds here before it's time for the real thing.
Love thing.
Keep those hips shaking, my friend, and let's take it into the next track.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam.
That's right, baby. Welcome to the Space Jam. I just know this is going to be a slam dunk. Let's go.
Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on and slam.
Get ready for that squat. All right, party people. I know I said that we're going to laugh a lot in this workout, but it's still high intensity, my friend. We are still going to work hard. We are still going to sweat. Let's go. Wide stance here.
Come on, it's time to get hype. Say who? Come on, all the fellas saying who?
There it is. Let's go, let's go.
The ladies saying who? Now, all the fellas saying who? It is hard. Come on and
Squat, squat, stand.
come on, do it right, baby, right. Yeah, you wanna hoop, so shoot, baby, shoot. It's time to hoop, so shoot, baby, shoot, baby. Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on and slam, if you wanna jam. Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on and slam.
You with me, athlete? Let's get loony.
Slam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Get on the floor and jam. It's the QCD on the microphone. Girl, you got me in the zone. Come on, let's start the game. Break it down, tell me your name. I'm the coach. Let's dance all night from coast to coast. Just slide,
Let's keep that effort.
just slide.
Let's keep that power up.
QCD, drop the bass. 311, only your face. Jam on it. Let's have some fun. One-on-one. You run the O and I run the G. So come on, baby, just jam for me.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now.
Reset your shoulders right here.
Going down.
Shoulders back, heart open.
Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright. Wave your hands in the air if you feel fine. We're gonna take it into overtime. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
You are not alone. My shoulders are feeling warm too. When my shoulders start to flag, that's when I'm gonna pull in those abs. Belly button comes in just a bit. Retracting those shoulder blades using the muscles of the back.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got a real jam going now. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance to go dance at the Space Jam. Alright. Wave your hands in the air if you feel fine. We're gonna take it into overtime. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance to go dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
No time to waste here. I need you to take that power and put it in these targets right now. Let's go, let's go. 20 seconds left. Stay right into the end. Let's go. Okay, let's roll those shoulders back, release a little tension, and head to the next one.
Американская фирма Transceptor Technology приступила к производству компьютеров «Персональный спутник».
Oh, you know what time it is. Let's get into this beat. Wide stance here. Shift your hips, keep your spine straight. Oh, I won't sing. Side steps here. It's getting kind of heavy. That means we put power into these strikes. Come on. Are you just transported back to the roller rink like I am with this song? Because I would get so anxious having to go to the roller skating rink as a kid. I didn't want to fall down. Back to those strong strikes right here.
I possess them, say I'm fresh, with my voice goes through the mesh of the microphone that I am holding. Copywritten lyrics in the jam, these shows that they all snap. No need to police to try to save them, your voice is sick, so please stay on my back, or I will attack, and you don't want that.
Big breath.
I got the power!
These guilty pleasure workouts work to our advantage, right? Because no matter how long it's been since you heard this song, every single beat, every single note is still in your head, still in your bones. Sit down with some force. Ha! Stand up strong.
Quality, I possess them, say I'm fresh, with my voice goes through the mesh of the microphone that I am holding. Copywritten lyrics in the jam, these shows that they all snap. No need to police to try to save them, your voice is sick, so please stay on my back, or I will attack.
You ready to finish this thing, athlete? Oh, snap, let's go. Final push, final push. That's what I'm talking about. We got more work to do. Let's go.
What, baby?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
You like to what?
Move it.
Okay.
I like to move it, move it.
We can deliver on that.
Move it, move it. I like to
Get
move
those
it,
abs
move it.
braced.
You like to
Get ready to move.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to
Take a big breath.
You like to
Let it out.
all girls all over the world. Original man, stop man, on your case, man. I love how all girls are move them body. And when you move your body,
I used to make up the lyrics because I had no idea what he was saying here. Pizza and a bagel. Pizza and a pizza and a pizza and a bagel. That's what I used to say to myself.
Physically, woman, you're nice, sweet, fantastic. Bitch upon the ocean, that's a big Titanic. Woman, you're nice, sweet, fine, energetic. Bitch upon the ocean, that's a big Titanic. Woman, you're nice, sweet, fantastic.
We got a good flow here. Keeping softness in the joints. Keeping strength through that whole body.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Let's travel here.
Woman, you're cute. I don't need no more. Bitch, you're not cute, but you a big man, man. Woman, you're cute. I don't need no more. Bitch, you're not cute, but you a big man, man. I love you. When you kiss a big man,
These crossbody strikes are trying to get those obliques. Can you feel them?
when you kiss a big man, man. When you kiss a big man, man. Woman, you're nice, broad face, and you're nice lip. Big man, lip, and bust up them lip. Woman, you're nice and energetic. Bitch, you on the ocean, that's a big titan. Woman, you're nice, broad face, and you're nice lip. Big man, lip, and bust up them lip. Woman, you're nice and energetic. Bitch, you on the ocean, that's a big titan. Woman, I like to move
Pull those shoulders back right now. Make sure you are still standing like the athlete that you are. Extra credit points if you still remember the TV commercial for the Jock Jams collection. That's right, we're going way back. Like, it was a long time ago. Music pulls back. That's our cue to breathe, because we're not done. Keep riding with me, champ. We got 20 seconds left.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Big finish.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
All right. If you like to move it so much, let's shake that body out and move right on to our next track.
Two more. Two more. Two more. Two more.
Ooh, that beginning bass sounds like a threat, huh? Let's match that drum beat. Let's get ready to pump up this jam, my friend.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping.
Make
Pump
these
it
strikes
up a
nice
little
and
more,
sharp.
Get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day.
We're doing a little turn into a squat. Reset those feet fast, drop low, back to that reset.
Make my day. Yo, pump up the
Whew,
jam.
that view took your breath away, huh? Mine too.
The jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd are jumping. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. I want
Connect with your feet, relax the shoulders, loosen up that jaw. Let's party.
make my day.
Squat, stand, little turn.
Make my day. Make my day. Make my day. Make my day. Yo, pump up the jam. Pump it up. Pump it up. Yo, pump it. Pump up the jam.
Can we twist our abs into these turds? Whoa,
Pump up the jam. Pump it up. Pump it up. Yo, pump
right here.
up the jam. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it.
Instrumental breakdown. You know what that means. It's time to let that freak flag fly. Put your own dance moves in. Shake it like it's hot. Let's go.
Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump it up. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump.
Big breath. Release any stale air out of those lungs. Straighten that spine. Get back to that athletic position.
Pump up the jam. Pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day.
Pump up the jam with me.
I want
Final 15 seconds.
a place to stay. Get
All power strikes right now.
your tonight. Make my day. I want
Keep it up, keep it up. Ha. I believe the jam is sufficiently pumped up. Now let's get to the next song.
Last one. Last one. Last one.